Sub troops, we're back in the Subaru build, so we're going to do some brake lines. So what we've done is we've got some wire. This stuff here, some nice wire. We've mapped out where we want to run all our brake lines, because we're not going copper pipes, we're going braided lines. And took the sizes, exactly what we need, built in some bias for the rear, put in a non-ABS system, and what we have done is we have sent all the sizes, measurements and fittings to HEL Performance, who does the braided lines, and they have sent us a full system. Let me show you. So they have sent us full brake lines made to spec. So we just need to plumb them all in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the brake line fixings at the back, put some riv nuts in, and let's see Sam do that. Holy shit. Yep. Cheers, Sam. So, you just saw Sam put the riv nuts in, so that means we don't need to self-tap or anything. We can get these nice new bolts in. So put a T-piece, same size to either side, a wee 90, will run right along here, still a wee bit of tidying up to do. Through this here, there'll be a rubber bung to go straight to the front, and then we've got the brackets here, so we can still run the original braided lines to the calipers, depending on what we fit. So we need to get all this done before we get the fuel tank in. Just like that. So what we're using is these to secure them to that with brand new zinc plated bolts. Sam's arguing it's just for testing.
He's doing it fucking wrong.
So we've got the test run done. Everything lines roughly where I want it to be. Rubber grommets, double-sided. We've got the brake bias for the rear and here. But we ordered brand size for the front driver's side, so we're waiting for the new one coming out of that. So I think it's time to get some bungs and the clips put in, and then that can be finalised, and then we can get into the fuel tank and everything else back in it. So that's us done for this episode. The lines are all temporarily run. We've got where we want to be. We need to order, well, we've already ordered the new line for that side. Everything's buttoned up. We still need a couple of bolts and bungs just to get everything tied up before we can start getting everything in. So if MD's got a car that they're breaking, we can come and steal some bolts and bungs off it. That would be really appreciated. We're still waiting on our parts car coming, and we need to get this moving on quickly. Thanks very much for watching. Till next time, toodaloo.